Keeping your Symmetry security system protected against new threats isn't optional, it's essential. With a software support agreement and platinum support from AMAG Technology, your system stays updated, secure, and audit-ready automatically. We deliver personalized support with a dedicated strategic account manager, regular software updates, and valuable insights on security trends, so you can plan ahead and stay ahead. Your Symmetry system should evolve with the threats around it. With platinum support, it will. Stay secure, stay compliant. Choose the AMAG Technology Platinum Program.